Mark is using a Scotch-Brite on a side grinder to clean up the gasket surface of any of the old gasket and old sealant and any rust or goop that's on there. You need it to be clean and dry, free of any oil or anything in order for the seal properly when we put it back together. You can use other tools to get this clean, but the Scotch-Brite on a roll-off pad is the easiest and fastest way to do it. Gets it the cleanest. You'll end up with a little bit of gasket material slinging on the inside there, but right before we put it together, we wipe it out and spray it out a little bit to clean it up. Then he takes brake cleaner. You can use any kind of cleaner and spray it on there. You want something that dries real good, and that dissolves any residual oil that's on the surface before you go ahead and put the cover back on the differential.